Is it on now?
Okay, bus driver. Okay.
Oh, there it goes. Not a toy.
Not a toy?
No, it's a figure.
A figure?
Yeah, I'll just use this box.
Why do you have it like that?
So I don't see the label. It has a shipping label.
Oh, this big? I don't remember. Did you tell me you were going to order something?
Yeah.
I don't
I think
remember.
it was last week or something.
Yeah, I was surprised when I got here. I thought I had got something. And I go, wait, I haven't ordered nothing.
This is from Mortal Kombat, but I'm not into the game, but I like the figure. It reminds me of an Aztec warrior.
Really?
And it's a McFarlane, Todd McFarlane company. They made it.
Mm-hmm.
And I noticed I like all this stuff. Most of it. It's really good.
Oh, yeah,
wow, it looks awesome.
Mortal
Wow.
Kombat. What's his name?
Kotal Khan. But anyways, well, look, doesn't it remind you of like an Aztec?
Yeah.
Look at that, the hairpiece. I mean,
And look at this. Right?
mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty cool.
That is really cool. It looks even better in
He's
person.
wearing it over here on this side. What's he wearing? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I just thought it was a cool design, and I had never seen it before. And
That's weird. Look at this one just fell.
it did?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's weird.
Huh. That's weird.
I wonder who's that Frisco.
Maybe.
Yeah, look, it was totally like this.
That's weird. Look at none of them have
Oh.
tipped over. Wow.
Look at the corner of my eye. I thought, shh. Like, oh, shh.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah, that Frisco or my mom? That's probably Frisco, not my mom. My mom don't mess with Halloween.
Well, I mean, they try to get your attention somehow.
Yeah, or maybe it is my mom. It's Frisco.
Man, sad about your aunt, though.
Man. Are you still recording?
Oh, yeah. I tried to find it used because I take them out of the box anyway.
How much is that?
This one was $22 with tax on it.
Wow. Tax?
With
On Facebook?
plus with
Marketplace?
tax. Yeah.
You opened it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I want to get a closer view. Look at his face. He even looks.
Let me see the feathers.
He looks like a minority.
Oh, that's the feathers. Oh, yeah. I like it.
Yeah, you don't. Like one of the other ones I repainted, but I don't think you have to repaint this one.
No, I
Even
like
his
the color.
toes move. It's neat. I like it.
Have you ever seen it before?
No. Yeah, that's why I was surprised when. Look at all the details. Look at that's what McFarlane. That's to me. That's what they're known for. All the little details. I mean, the paint. Of course, you know they have to do these. They mass produce these, and the paint is. It's good, but imagine if you, because some people on this forum, oh, don't touch them. You're gonna mess them up. Just leave them where they are. But I see other people that repaint them, add more details. Me, I bought it. I can pretty much do what I want with it.
Well, yeah.
Right.
People on the forum gonna come.
Yeah, because I try to like get their opinion because I want to repaint something. I'm like, oh no, just leave it. You're gonna mess it up.
Then they're on the wrong forum.
Right. Because other people do it, and they come out really nice. Just a couple of like maybe highlights and details. It'll make it completely change its.
I like it.
Make it look from a toy to a little more.
Very nice.
But let me see if it gets back to me.
Very nice toys that you buy.
Thank you. Boy, how does this go in though? Oh. I think it's in.
What happened to this guy? Did you make him?
Okay.
This guy right here.
No.
Who was he?
He's Leatherface, another version with a
Were you
mask.
supposed to give him one of those?
Oh, I asked him. He just said Leatherface, that one.
Okay.
So, but Besides, I didn't have time anyways. I ran out, so that was like that's actually for me. I don't know if anybody knows that. Oh my gosh, what the heck?
You're not recording though?
Yeah, it's recording. Am I gonna edit? Nope. Oh snap!
Definitely not. Hope that Franny doesn't get up today. It was a hard day for me.
Those extra hours are too hard, huh?
Yeah.
This thing's cool. Kotal. I think I might retouch it up with paint. Need some dry brushing on it.